Hey everybody, welcome to my video. My name is Mohit and you are watching my channel MK Tech. So today I'm going to tell you how you can make more money online. So yes friend, today I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing. Yeah, there is multiple companies which is providing affiliate facility to online persons who can associate with them and get money online. So nowadays, most of the I have selected three main companies which is providing much money rather than other companies. So first of all, that is Amazon. Second is Flipkart and Snapdeal. So first of all, I would like to tell you what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, uh, just like the person a person who is associated with with that company and promoting their products. So the main funda behind this affiliate marketing is promotion. You are promoting a product for a company, so they will pay you some commission for that product. It could be 10%, 20%, 12%, 40%. So between 5 to 20 they will provide you the commission of that product. So that is affiliate marketing. So let's see how we can go ahead and create a login credential for affiliate marketing. So I would tell you about Amazon affiliate. So just open your Google and click on Amazon affiliate program. Once it will search, just click on this first link. You will have to create a link on this website. If you have already login credential on this website, so you can just go ahead and click on this. If you have not any login credential on this site, just click on this join for free. Once you will click on this join for free, it will give you a form. Just follow the steps and go ahead and fill details on that form. Make sure you have write correct details on this. So I already have login credential on this site, so I just click on this login button. I have my login credential, so I just click on login. Once you have filled their forms, so once you log in the page, it will show like this. Here are the account information. Once you fill the form, it will show like this: your name, your address, everything will show here. And next is who is the main contact for this account. Just click on this, the pay listed above. If you are using this, then you will have to click on this, the pay listed above. Or somebody you want to log in with the somebody IDs, so just click on this some else. Next is for US tax purpose only. If you are staying in US, then only you can say yes, otherwise click on no, because we are not from US. And now click next. Okay, once we click next, okay, one more thing I would like to tell, there should be some more requirement. Like you must have a blog, or you must have a website for this affiliate program, because the affiliate program is like you will promote their products on your website. You cannot promote your uh, product on other websites, so you must have a blog or website, or even you have a YouTube channel, so you can paste their links to in your YouTube channel description. So I have a website, so I just put my website. I just paste my website here and click on add. If you have your YouTube channel, so you can get it from YouTube. Because I have my YouTube channel as well, so I'll put my YouTube channel. I'm just finding out my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'll put my YouTube channel here as well. And now go for next step. Once you have your website and YouTube channel, go to next. Now it will ask for your uh, profile. So next point is, what is your preferred associate stored ID? So you can put anything what you want. So I just put my name in this. You can put anything, but you need to remember this store ID. Here you will have to put description about what your mobile and what your website is. So my website is technical, so I just put technical website. Next is, which of the following topics best describe your website? So it's computer software technology, and because it is an educational, so I just put education school references. Next point is, what type of Amazon items do you intend to list your websites? So it's basically asking for what kind of items you would like to promote. So you can just click on select the different type of materials you want to promote. Now what type of your website or mobile app, let's see what type of this. So I'll, because it's not a shopping site, so it's basically education site. I just click on the other. Here again I will select the other. Now traffic and monetization. How do you drive traffic to your website? So basically he's asking for where your traffic comes on your website or YouTube channel. So I will select social media, blogs, and shopping portal. That's it. You can select offline as well if you are using WhatsApp and all for your website promotion. So select this offline as well. How do you utilize your website apps to generate income? Of course, third party affiliate network. I would select this. And select this. How do you usually build links? HTML editor. There are multiple uh, link creation tools, that is HTML editor and manually via text editor. So you can select this text editor. How many total unique visitor do you do your website? So it's depend on your website traffic. So I just put first link. What is your primary reason for joining Amazon? Of course, to monetize my site. How did you hear about us? Online search, word to mouth, from Amazon sites, online search. Just fill this captcha, FYDFDX. Go ahead, just sign the agreement. Just click on this and click on finish button. Now you can get the confirmation. Congratulations. So now you have been associated with this Amazon site. So it is asking for enter your payment and tax information. You can fill out now or you can fill out later. I just click on later. So now it will show this page like this, because now you have been associated this Amazon site as a associate affiliate. So now click on this get start. Here is it is showing important notice. Before you can pay you, we must have your payment information. Please ignore this mail if payment is, so because you have create your IDs on this affiliate program for payment, so you just need to fill out payment information also. So click on this. Just give your PAN number, account, where you want to withdraw money, like on uh, it's basically your individual payment method by NEFT, of course. The minimum earning should be 1000. Once you have the earning 1000 rupees, then you can withdraw it. Okay, so this is the your payment method. You'll have to put PAN number here. Once you fill out all the details on payment method, so now we will see how we can get the link of any product. So just go ahead and click on this product link and click on this. Once you'll open, this page will show, and here what kind of product you want to promote. So just click on this search button and uh, find the product what you want to promote. I just put some mobile, so I just write here mobile, click on go. It will show multiple of mobiles, the product, multiple mobile products. So you just select any of this. Suppose I select InFocus version 3. So I'll click get link here. Now you can see it will give you some code here. So you just need to copy this code and just go ahead and paste where you want. Either if you have your blog or your website, or you have any YouTube channel, so just go ahead and paste that code on your YouTube channel or website. So that's how if somebody visit your site or your channel and click on this link, he will redirect to the Amazon site. If the person purchase that product what you share on your website or channel, so Amazon will give you the some percentage commission to your account. So that is how affiliate marketing works. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and click on like button. Thank you.